find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
An H-bridge is a simple electronic circuit that switches the polarity of a voltage applied to a load like motor. As the polarity is changed, when applied to motors, helps motor to rotate forward and backward, which is required, for example, in robotics applications. H-bridge is built with 4 active devices, either MOSFET or BJT. MOSFETs are preferred over BJTs in H-bridges because MOSFETs have lower on-state resistance. Due to lower on-state resistance, power dissipation is low and this leads to higher efficiency. MOSFETs have faster switching speeds and hence lower switching losses. DRV8841 from Texas Instruments is an IC with dual H-bridge motor driver. This is used to control stepper motors and brushed DC motors.